Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by picking the right path for Excel on Linux. Native Web, Wine, Play on Linux, or Crossover. Install Wine and Winatrix now and set a clean 32-bit prefix. This avoids library conflicts. Once done, install core fonts and .NET/runtime dependencies with Winatrix so Excel can render correctly. Make sure to create a dedicated Wine prefix folder. For this, install and configure Windows version to match the Excel installer requirements. This reduces later troubleshooting and keeps other apps isolated. Next, run the Excel installer through your chosen compatibility layer, Wine Setup, exe or via crossover/play on Linux launcher. During installation, follow prompts and pause to apply Winatrix for .NET, vcrun, and MSXML if needed. These provide runtime libraries Excel expects. Once installed, tweak Wine configuration. Set Windows version to the recommended release, enable virtual desktop if UI issues occur, and add DLL overrides for problematic libraries. These steps ensure stability and smoother Excel behavior. Finally, launch Excel and test typical workflows. Open files, check formulas, charts, pivot tables, and macros to confirm functionality. If errors appear, reinstall the specific runtime via Winatrix, toggle the Wine Windows version, or enable a virtual desktop to fix graphical glitches. Make sure file associations and printer settings are correct. As a fallback, use the Microsoft 365 web app for best compatibility, or convert to LibreOffice for offline work. This gives you continuity while you resolve local issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.